to solve the CAPTCHA problem in Omegle on the PC. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to solve the CAPTCHA problem in Omegle on the PC. Open up the web browser. Click on three dots from the top right corner. Go into Settings, then tap on Privacy and Security. From Privacy and Security, go into Cookies and Other Site Data. Then go back to Clear Browsing Data. Now clear all the data from Basics. Go into Advanced, Clear Browsing Data and choose the time range as all time. Then click Clear Data from here as well. Now open up a new tab. Here search Omegle. Then open its site. Click on Video, tick the checkboxes for it. Then tap to confirm and continue. Now the problem is solved. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.